Hello everyone, welcome back to my 75 days English speaking challenge. Today I want to talk about mistakes. Mistakes are the steps to success. Anything you want to learn, if you make mistakes, if you make errors, that is normal. That is absolutely normal. If you make mistakes, that is normal. Don't fear of mistakes. I have 2-3 examples. How? Think about a baby who learns to walk, a baby learning to walk. He stands up or take one step and falls. He tries again and walks 2-3 step and falls again. But he don't say that I will never walk. He tries every day again and again, and at the by the time he learns to walk, not only walk, he can run, he can jump, he can play. So that's how we learn, because mistakes are the part of learning. Take second example, learning to ride a bicycle. Remember, when you learn to ride cycle, for the first day you did not learn riding bicycle uh, perfectly, because for the first time you struggle to balance, you learn to pedal, you learn to balance, and you falls and you tries again and again, and after some time you learns to ride bicycle. That's how we learn, because next time when we make mistakes, next time we improve, next time we don't start from zero. That's why mistakes are the learning stairs. We have to climb stairs to reach our goal. If you want to learn English, if you afraid of making mistakes, how will you learn? If you want to speak and if you afraid of making errors or making mistakes, how will you speak? You have to start at least. If you make mistake, that's okay. A child make mistakes, he don't think about it, he learns it, next time he improve it, he remember it. So this is my day 16 of English speaking practice. Today I have talked about the mistakes are the learning steps to success, steps to learning. Mistakes are the best, so don't fear mistakes. Mistakes should be our teachers. Okay, mistakes should be our teachers, and without mistakes, how we can learn? In the beginning, everyone make mistakes. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video. Bye.